Dodge announced the key elements that will launch Direct Connection, the Dodge brand's exclusive source of factory-backed performance parts. The flagship parts will include performance tuner and stage kits for the Dodge Challenger, and new race-ready performance kits for the Dodge Challenger Mopar Drag Pack. The entire parts catalog is now available for viewing online at Dodge's website, with a hotline also live now with technical support, straight from the performance experts. Ordering parts from Direct Connection will open late in the first quarter of 2022. The Jeep brand is adding new premium technologies and features to the 3-row Grand Cherokee L for the 2022 model year. The biggest additions include a segment-exclusive 10.25-inch front passenger interactive display and dual 10.1-inch rear seat entertainment displays with built-in Amazon Fire TV. New trim level packages include Limited Black and Summit High Altitude, while Ember, Hydro Blue, and Midnight Sky are available as exterior colors. The 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee L can be ordered now at Jeep brand dealerships.